2004 Chevy S10 V6.
Yeah.
Crew cab.
Yep.
Four-wheel drive. Still got the stock catalytic converter. There's a second, that one has been replaced. And we did straight pipe duals. 2 1/4, 2 1/2 inch tailpipe, intermediate pipe, 2 1/4 tailpipe, and 2 1/4 tailpipes on each side with 3 1/2 inch angle cut tips, all custom bend. Hope you guys like it. Let us know what you guys think in the comments and like our videos. Let you hear it in a minute. Again, it's a S10 2004 Got the 4.3 motor in it. It's the crew cab edition. They're hard to come by and they sound amazing. Alright. There she is.
This episode is brought to you by GenoPure, suppliers of all natural supplements, vitamins, and pre-workouts. From body pain to sleep to diets, they have it all. Click the link in the description below to check out their website, genopure.com. Optimizing health and vitality, one gene at a time.